Ripple CEO reveals why XRP will beat Bitcoin in the future. Bitcoin is the currency that comes to everyone's mind while talking about digital assets. But many other cryptocurrencies are equally and even more valuable than Bitcoin. This includes Ripple XRP. Its unique features make it stand out among all other cryptocurrencies, and Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has also revealed that XRP will replace even Bitcoin, and Bitcoin won't stand out long because of China. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give daily updates about XRP. As we have announced a monthly giveaway of 1,000 XRP coins, so hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already to participate in the giveaway. And don't forget to click the bell icon and share your views in the comment section below. Watch till the end of the video for more chances to win the huge amount of your favorite coin. In today's video, you will know about the views of Brad Garlinghouse on why XRP will beat Bitcoin. You will know how China is a hurdle in the making of Bitcoin as the one global currency and what impact it creates on the value of Bitcoin. You will also know about the future of XRP and how it will beat the other cryptocurrencies. In the end, you will know that how XRP will rise after the recent crypto downfall. So, let's start our video. In June 2018, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, attended the Stifel Cross-Sector Insight Conference 2018 to share his thoughts on the long-term impact of Ripple's technology and the future of cryptocurrencies. Garlinghouse criticized Bitcoin as the future global currency. He was of the view that Bitcoin won't win worldwide adoption because China controls it. No one is unaware of that fact, that China is a major player in setting Bitcoin prices, and according to Brad Garlinghouse, Bitcoin's route to becoming the world's primary cryptocurrency might falter due to China's influence. He made really straight remarks and told audiences at the 2018 Stifel Insight Cross-Sector Conference in Boston that, "I'm telling you another story that's underreported, but worth paying attention to. Bitcoin is really controlled by China. There are 4 miners in China that control over 50% in Bitcoin. How do we know that China won't intervene in controlling the Bitcoin? How many countries want to use a Chinese-controlled currency? It's just not going to happen." At that time, prominent figures had increasingly begun referring to Bitcoin as a world currency in the making, but Garlinghouse called the idea of a primary world currency absurd and said that it did not make any sense. He said, "I don't think any major economy will allow that to happen." 3 years later, due to China, Bitcoin faced a great fall in its price. But before going to that, first, let's discuss how China controls Bitcoin. China has 2 advantages as far as Bitcoin is concerned. First, it is home to a majority of mining operations for Bitcoin. This confers it the power to control the supply of coins in the market and to raise transaction fees based on mining difficulty. As has been the case in the last year, high transaction fees could dissuade the use of Bitcoin for daily transactions and make it more cost-prohibitive for trading. Second, China is also home to some of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges for trading Bitcoin, such as Binance. These exchanges clock high trading volumes and attract international retail investors due to their cheap fees. To be sure, the idea of a global currency is not new. Noted economist John Maynard Keynes proposed the idea for a global currency during the 1944 Bretton Woods Conference. A central bank called the International Clearing Union would be responsible for issuing Bancor, a currency that would trade on par with national currencies. The Bancor would be used for trades between nations, thereby removing imbalance in exchange rates and the inherent advantages and disadvantages that are associated with it. One way in which China exerts an influence on Bitcoin prices is through its exchanges. At that time, China accounted for over 90% of trading volumes in cryptocurrencies. The exchanges thrive by charging low fees. Now, coming back to the ban that shook the entire crypto market. Cryptocurrency trading has been illegal in China since 2019 in order to curb money laundering. But people are still able to trade in currencies such as Bitcoin online, which has concerned Beijing. Bitcoin's price tumbled in May following an intensified call from China authorities to crack down on mining and trading of the cryptocurrency. Chinese Vice Premier Liu He and the State Council said in a statement that higher regulation is needed to protect the financial system. The statement that was released in China said it is necessary to crack down on Bitcoin mining and trading behavior and resolutely prevent the transmission of individual risks to the social field. Bitcoin's price on Coinmetrics slid more than 8.5% as news of the statement circulated, part of the broader plunge that has seen the digital currency tumble more than 40% from its peak. Other cryptos suffered huge losses as well, with Ethereum and Dogecoin both down more than 11% amid a continuing washout in prices for the groups. From that situation, it is very well clear that what Brad Garlinghouse had said was true. Bitcoin cannot become the global currency because of China. On contrary, he made this clear that Ripple aims to outperform Bitcoin through faster transaction speeds and banking market usability. He said that Bitcoin needs 45 minutes to complete a transaction today. Some celebrities, even Steve Wozniak, has said that he sees a world where Bitcoin is the main currency. I think that's absurd. I do not believe that the big economy allows that. By the way, that makes no sense. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse shared his thoughts regarding the future of cryptocurrency and XRP recently. The CEO spoke up in an interview with CNBC's Squawk Box. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse doubled down on his frustrations surrounding the lack of clarity in the U.S. regulation of digital assets. He said a big part of the problem with crypto regulation in the U.S. is not the cryptocurrency players, but the lack of action from the U.S. regulators compared to global peers. Garlinghouse said, "There's a misunderstanding of how these technologies can be applied. In the United States, there has been a lack of regulatory clarity. Other countries in G20 markets, they have invested the time and energy, either through legislation or rulemaking, to provide that clarity and certainty, which allows investors to participate and entrepreneurs to build. Just because you can buy one XRP for under $1 doesn't necessarily mean that the cryptocurrency itself is less valuable than Bitcoin. There are some areas in more Ripple versus Bitcoin debate where XRP comes out on top. A big difference between Ripple and Bitcoin is the speed in which transactions can be executed. XRP can be sent from one party to another in a matter of seconds, compared with several minutes for BTC. By and large, XRP also commands much lower fees. And during times where demand is high, Bitcoin users face rather high costs if they want miners to prioritize their transactions and include it in the next block. Bitcoin consumes a very large amount of energy as compared to XRP, and this had Bitcoin and the whole crypto market fall. It's fairly clear that cryptocurrency is facing a reckoning of sorts recently. While the large-scale downward pull hasn't spared XRP, there's a narrative emerging that favors it moving forward. XRP is the digital currency issued and partly managed by Ripple, the payment solutions company that also manages the RippleNet cross-border payments network. Unlike Bitcoin, XRP coins are not mined. Ripple minted the entire supply when the network was launched in 2012, and Ripple intermittently releases portions of the supply from an escrow account and sells them on the open market. Out of a total 100 billion supply of XRP, over 46.2 billion coins are currently in circulation. There are at least 3 reasons XRP should fare well after the most recent cryptocurrency downdraft subsides. The first reason is the victory in the Ripple SEC lawsuit. Another reason XRP sits in a strong position is simply that it has utility. XRP is used in cross-border remittances and settlements. The company's RippleNet application allows users to move money quicker than traditional cross-border remittance and settlement services. Ripple's network has hundreds of institutional partners, including Bank of America, American Express, and Santander, among others. According to the Investor's Place, juxtapose Ripple's business, established network, and utility against those of Dogecoin and the myriad of other cryptocurrencies that fools are pumping money into now, and something becomes rather clear. XRP is actually on its way toward fulfilling some of the promises of decentralized finance. Many other cryptocurrencies have no future, but XRP clearly does. The market is simply digesting all of the crypto news and excessive enthusiasm as of late. Thus, a rebound is imminent and companies in a position to rise, i.e. those with real utility, will rise. That's why Ripple's XRP is in a strong position as a cryptocurrency evolves beyond its darker days. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 79 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.6 billion USD. XRP is down 0.16% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 7, with a live market cap of $36 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think? Will XRP beat Bitcoin soon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway. And thanks for watching.